Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope that everyone is fine. This is going to be my 49th lecture, and I welcome you all to my this new lecture. We just completed the different points to do to execute on the day of interview. So I'm going to tell you certain points which are relevant to you during an interview. What an interviewee, what a candidate, and what a person who is being interviewed should do on the day of presentation, on the day of interview, and simply during the day of interview. Self confidence. You should be confident while appearing for interview. This is the very strong and potential sign to be confident on the day of interview, during the process of interview. You should not appear sick, pale, confused, worried, perplexed, and all those adjectives which are connected to this confused, perplexed, and worried. You should not appear like that. You must appear confident during your interview. Come what may, क्या भी हो, जहाँ भी थे, you need to be confident. Now you might say that, sir, how we will be confident when we do not know any question, or when we are unable to answer any question? Definitely it will lead to our loss of confidence. You may be correct, but I do not think so. If you do not know any answer, reply them very effectively, very confidently, that, sir, I do not know any question. But if you think that replying them negatively and telling them that you do not know the answer will lead you towards a failure of your interview, then this is the moment when you start yourself pushing to the great valley of ignorance, of frustration. Now this will make you think that what will happen if I may answer them this, now it will ruin my interview, and so on. So be positive, be honest whatever you are telling them. So you need to be confident on the day of interview. The next is interpersonal skills. Your fluency in English, if you do not know English, does not matter. You can answer them in your Urdu language or Sindhi language, but it's very appreciated if you speak English, or at least if you introduce yourself in your English language. Okay. If you are a language student, then you need to speak in English language. Otherwise, if you are not language student, you have got escape that you can speak English language, sorry, Urdu language. So fluency in English language is very important. Listen attentively and answer to the questions asked by the interviewer. Once again, the point that has been raised here in this slide is, listen to the interviewer, listen to the answer, listen to the question very attentively, very properly, very completely. As I emphasized upon this point in my last lecture, that listening is very important when you are being interviewed. You need not interrupt very meanwhile the interviewer is asking you a question. You might be able to show your confidence, or you might be able to show this to your interviewer that you know the answer. It's really good if you know the answer, but you need not to be overconfident or over smart. If you know something, keep calm, let them complete the answer. Later on you may speak whatever you want to speak in connection with your question. The last thing is, be honest while answering in the interview. Even if you do not know the answer for certain question, be honest in answer to the interviewer. So if you do not know the answer of the question, do not be panicked, do not be worried. Tell them very straightforwardly, tell them very openly, tell them very frankly, tell them very confidently that, sir, I do not know the answer of the question. Can you ask me another question, or may I have another question? This will make you calm and easy. But if you do not know the answer, and if you want to show your competency, if you want to show your over smartness, then it will lead you towards your failure. Definitely there will be a point when you will be telling them something incorrect, telling them something wrong, because you have opted an incorrect option of telling them the answer of the question which you even do not know. So this thing should be avoided at every stage. Later on, the next slide is dress outlook. I have already discussed this point, that you need to be formal on the day of your interview. For example, you need to dress formally and well groomed. You need to be very shined and very groomed on the day of your interview. You will never get a second chance to make a good impression. Remember this thing. This is a single chance to prove yourself, to prove your worth, your significance, your value, to prove your skills that you are able for this job. Wear something that make you feel comfortable. Do not wear those things which make you uncomfortable. Use simple accessories like simple jewelry if you are a lady, watches, ties, etc. And the last is scents, perfumes, and aftershaves, lotions should be avoided, because sometimes interviewers do not appreciate all these things. I hope that whatever I have told you is very much clear to you. If you have any question, you can ask me through the resource person. Till that, stay blessed, stay safe, stay home. Thank you, and Hafiz.